How to make money fast as a coach. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. I'm a full-time online business coach. So how do you make money fast as a new coach? Well, there's a few things that has to be in place at first. First of all, you have to have a clear, desirable offer. Oftentimes, new coaches, they have a very diffuse offer where it's not really crystal clear what it is that they can do and who they're helping also. And if that's not clear and people are a little bit uncertain, then they're not going to contact you. So you have to be very clear on your niche. Who are you helping and what can you do for them? And that's why it has to be narrow, so it can be very clear. So narrow it down to a very specific audience and also a very specific thing that you can help them achieve. And secondly, in order to make money fast as a new coach, you have to actually have an audience already. Sometimes coaches, they already have an audience from maybe a previous work, or they just have a big audience on Facebook or Instagram from just posting a lot. So if you have already some followers, then the chance of making money fast is much higher. But if you don't have an audience, then it may take a little bit longer, because we always want to start with organic marketing to get the messaging right, to dial in the offer just right. So that takes a little bit longer. If we would start out with paid ads, then we could get, of course, exposure a lot faster. But the chances are that you'll waste a lot of money, because you have to dial in the messaging, how to speak to them, in the headlines, and how your offer is crafted and stuff like that. So it's always better to start with organic marketing. So that takes longer then to build up an audience. And that's why if you have an audience already, then you can make money much faster, because the truth is that your first clients, your first few clients, they're more than likely going to come from your existing audience. Maybe even from friends that you know, or family members, or friends of friends that already know you from before you really became a coach, because they know you, like you, and trust you already. And that's something that we have to get people to know, like, and trust you before they will even book a call with you. So I hope this helps. Comment below if you have any questions, and give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more. And if you want to build up your coaching business, then I actually have a program that takes you from A to Z on how to set up an online coaching business, and also how you get clients with organic marketing. So if you want to learn more about it, you can book a call with me. There's a link in the description. Also, we have some free downloads. There's a download in the description, 33 ways to how to get clients. You can go and download that for free. And we also have an ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. You can go and download that for free. Also join our free Facebook group. It's also in the description. And now something new, you can actually become a member of my YouTube channel and get access to extra videos, and you can also get access to me privately on WhatsApp or other social media chats where you can ask me questions directly. So if you want to do that, then there should be a membership button. I'm not sure if it's there already, but it should be coming up soon. So go and become a member, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.